Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to access your document library and complete forms using our whiteboard and tools within the whiteboard space. When you are in classrooms or cafe, simply come to Document Upload Share. Under the Upload Document portion, you will see all of your documents that have been uploaded to your document library. Anything that has been uploaded under My Documents is available for future meetings, whether in the classroom or the cafe. At the bottom, you have meeting documents. You can upload a specific document for a meeting or a student. Once that meeting has ended, it is removed from your document library. I will open a document. I can name it as the student if I'd like to access it later. When the document is available, you can use the palette of tools to complete that form or document. You'll notice this lock icon. When I unlock, the same palette of tools becomes available for participants. They can access the same tools and complete this form or document. I can change the color, for example, type using the text tool. Enter information, continue to complete. I can jump to additional pages. We do have a check mark tool, arrow tool, rectangle, and ellipse. We can also change the color and highlight using our highlighter tool, or capture signatures. Now we can capture signatures in this space whether the document is locked or unlocked, simply using this signature tool. I can assign that signature area and select the student or participant that needs to sign that document. When they click on that signature box, it will capture their signature using their mouse. And I can sign using the pencil tool and my mouse. Here we can change the line thickness, for example. So we need to change the thickness or even change the font. Some new features within this space. This font applies for adding text. So I can add text here and change the size. For example, change the size. I can select and move shapes or delete by simply using the delete option on my keyboard. I can then come and sign again if needed. We do have an undo option. It will undo the last, so bring back the signature or clear the whiteboard. Once the document is complete, simply use the floppy disk icon to save. It will save as a PDF, and ask the student to do the same on their end. Even if the palette of tools have been locked, a student has access to be able to save. They can also sign using that signature tool. Please let us know if you have any questions.